Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a classic Spanish recipe, rosquillas. These delicious little donuts are perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a mid-afternoon snack. They are easy to make, and I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks to get just right. So let's get started. So let's show you the ingredients. We will need grounded anise, a cup of sugar, 3 medium eggs or 2 large eggs, a bag of baking powder, 4 cups of flour, a cup of milk, and a cup of oil. So let's start the recipe. We start breaking the 3 eggs. As you can see, my mom is helping me today. She's the best in the world. She added the sugar and I mixed it by hand until the sugar gets dissolved. Once you see the sugar is completely dissolved, you can add the oil. And continue mixing until the ingredients are completely integrated. And finally, we add the last liquid ingredient, a cup of milk. And we continue mixing it until it's already integrated. Now we add a spoon of anise powder. You can find it in any supermarket which is open 24 hours, or in Arabs or Asian stores. And now we have to add the dry ingredients. We have previously mixed the baking powder with the flour, and we add a cup and we mix it, a cup and we mix it. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, if you like fluffier rosquillas, you can add to the flour 1 more bag of baking powder. I have used a manual whisk, but if you prefer, you can use the machine. As the dough is getting thicker, I'm going to remove the whisk and start mixing it with my hands. The hands have to be very clean. If you have preferred mix the dough with your hands as I do, you have to move your fingers separately to get the flour well integrated. We keep looking as we add the flour. We have to see how dense the dough is. It doesn't have to be too hard or too light, just a homogeneous dough. This is how the dough should look like, not too thick nor too soft. Now we are going to remove it from our hands. You can use a spoon, a knife, or a spatula, whatever works for you. After removing it from our hands, we spread a little bit of oil and we cover the dough and leave it for 15 minutes. Now we soak in our hands so the dough doesn't get sticky to our hands. We take a piece of dough and we make a ball. After making a ball, we have to make a hole, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And we put it in a tray that has been previously greased with oil. The next step is to heat the oil in a frying pan. To check if the oil is hot, take a small piece of dough and put it in the oil. When the oil is all ready, the dough will start to make bubbles, which means we can start putting the donuts in. We put it on a medium heat. When the donuts are cracked, we can turn them over. As you can see, we have used some chopsticks. They work very well. And we keep moving the donuts and turning them over and over until they are golden. We remove them. I have put them on a tray with absorbent kitchen paper, just as you can see. You fry the donuts, the oil will start to foam. Don't be scared. It's because the recipe has eggs. Look at the skimmer it made. Well, we are almost finished with the recipe. Now we just have to put granulated sugar on a plate. If you want, you can mix sugar with cinnamon. And we take the donuts and put them in the sugar. We turn them over and over until they are nice and sugary. And voila! There we have it, guys, Spanish donuts. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. If you have any question or any suggestion, just put it in the comments below. I hope you like it, and let's see you in the next video.